Good afternoon. So today we're talking with Hazel, who is a patient of Dr. Griffith's here at Vital Healthcare. And Hazel, you've been coming in for a while and receiving Myers cocktail, which is a multivitamin micronutrient treatment. And we wanted to talk to you a little bit about why you came in for those. What kind of symptoms were you experiencing before you started seeing Dr. Griffith?
Well, I had been feeling just awful. I could just drag myself around. I was just miserable. And I was referred to Dr. Griffith, and I came to see him. And he suggested the Myers cocktail. And I was a little dubious. I had never heard of it, but I trusted him. And so I thought, well, if he says it's okay, I'm going to try it and see how it works. And it was wonderful. It was great. I started feeling better in a couple of days, and it just put me up on another plane. And life's been good. I've been doing them several times since, and it's been just wonderful.
So you really found that it helped to improve your energy level?
Oh, yes, indeed. Oh, yes, immensely.
Excellent. Did you find the treatment uncomfortable at all or painful?
No, it was fun. It was so pleasant. Dr. Griffith's such a nice man. And I sit there in a warm blanket and a pillow, and the drip is no big deal. And so it was a very pleasant experience.
Excellent. So do you feel like that this is something that you would recommend to other people to give it a try?
I have been regularly. Yes, indeed. Very much.
So Hazel, before you found Dr. Griffith, a naturopath, you probably were seeing other doctors, perhaps an MD in practice, like a general care physician?
Yes, I was seeing a conventional doctor, yeah.
Okay.
And I just was feeling terrible, and he just pretty much threw up his hands and said, I don't know. And I felt like I was at ground zero. I had no other options. And then I heard about Dr. Griffith, and I was desperate. I needed some help. And so when I found him, I felt like I really struck a pot of gold.
Excellent. So you didn't have a particular condition or diagnosis, like there wasn't anything wrong with you. You're very healthy.
Well, I am now, but I certainly wasn't then. I guess my immune system had gotten down, and I didn't have any nutrients or anything in my body. I was just a shell, and I felt like I was really at the end of it.
Okay. And so with the Myers cocktails, then the main thing that you were hoping to treat was just really bringing up your energy level and your vitality back so that you could keep up with doing all the things that you like to do.
Exactly. It just gave me something to build on. It changed my life. I really appreciate it.
Wonderful.